Sometimes a journey is also a quiet look toward the future. After leaving Highway 101, our family is now heading toward the University of California, Santa Barbara. We brought our two daughters here to see a different university environment and experience its atmosphere for themselves. This visit is not about making an immediate choice, but about discovering more possibilities for the future. A green roadside sign marked University points us toward the next turn on our route. The road passes through open ground and rows of trees as we move closer to the university area. At the next intersection, the sign for North Los Carneros Road confirms the route toward UC Santa Barbara. Traffic slows around the intersection while students and local residents move through the late afternoon.
Can't really be enticed, although it's very nice. In my space I feel most comfortable. Choose what you like.
We remain on the local streets near the university, looking for a suitable place to leave the car.
Choose to feel yourself, choose to transcend, choose to be your own friend.
Our plan is to park nearby and then walk into the campus together as a family.
Like the sun, like the sun.
Walking will give our daughters more time to observe the surroundings and experience the university atmosphere. Larger buildings and more pedestrians begin to appear as we approach the university area. We continue along the road, preparing to leave the car nearby and explore the campus on foot. Once the car is parked, a different kind of family exploration will begin. See you on the next road. Goodbye.